Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May peace and light be with you. Beloved soul, this is not a coincidence. If you are hearing these words, know that the angels are calling you. They have an urgent message for you today, one that can transform your path and fill your heart with light. Take a deep breath, open your heart, and allow their divine presence to embrace you. Main angelic message. Your angels are telling you, do not give in to fear. The storm you face is only temporary. You are never alone. The divine has placed powerful guardians by your side, and they are working tirelessly to remove obstacles from your path. Trust that every delay is protection, every challenge is a lesson, and every tear is watering the seeds of a greater blessing. They whisper to your heart, hold on to faith. Miracles are closer than you think. What you seek is already making its way to you. Your angels urge you to release what no longer serves you, fear, doubt, and pain. The moment you surrender them, new doors will open, and divine peace will flow into your life. Remember this truth: you are loved, guided, and protected at all times. Prayer to the Holy Angels. Heavenly angels, radiant messengers of God, I open my heart to receive your urgent call of love and guidance. Surround me now with your light. Protect me from all harm, and lead me on the path of peace and truth. Drive away fear, doubt, and despair, and fill me with courage, hope, and unwavering faith. Illuminate my mind with divine wisdom, and strengthen my soul to walk in God's will. Holy angels, stay beside me in every step. Defend me from evil, and open the doors that lead to blessings and miracles. I trust in your presence and in the eternal love of God, now and always. Amen. Take this angelic message into your heart and carry it with you today. Trust that the divine is already working in your favor. If this message touched your soul, share it with others who may need angelic light. May your path be filled with blessings, miracles, and heavenly protection. The angels are with you, always. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. May peace, love, and the strength of prayer accompany you and your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.